Hi everyone, welcome to Cuộc Sống Tối Giản channel. Today I have this laptop HP 240 G8 i3 version. I got it in Vietnam for around $540, tax included, and I want to show you guys the upgrade options that you could have on it. First, let's open it up. So in order to open this laptop, you will need to find your way from the bottom. There are 6 screws under there that you need to unscrew. Once you got all of them unscrewed, don't open up the lid, because the screws that hold the hinges are not there anymore. So if you open up the lid, the hinges might get damaged and it will be very hard to fix. So just find your way around to pry the bottom cover without opening the lid. Put away the bottom cover. Now you see the inside of the laptop. I must say the inner parts are quite nice, although it's not a luxury laptop. So by default, it comes with one RAM stick of 8GB. There was an empty slot, so I added another stick of 8GB here, so it makes 16GB in total, where you can upgrade to 32GB of RAM maximum. Another good thing is the mainboard supports HDD, although it didn't come with the HDD cable. So I had to order this cable from China. It took me 2 weeks to get it. With the cable, now I can attach an HDD of 512GB as well. Since I couldn't find a frame for it, I put 2 plastic tips here so the HDD could not move around. It also came with an NvMe SSD of 512GB, which you can upgrade as well if you want to extend the storage. I have been using this laptop for over 3 months for my job. I work in IT. It's not very powerful, but it surely can do the work. It doesn't have an external graphics card, but I still can also play some of my favorite games on it. For example, Asphalt 8 or 9, Shadow Tactics, or Desperados 3. I don't play games much, to be honest, but still, it can entertain me sometimes. That's all for the upgrade options you can have on this HP 240 G8 laptop. Thank you for watching the video. Please leave a comment if you want to ask about anything. Have a great day. I see you in the next videos.